Beneath the weeping willow, the tranquil river erupts into a blur of electric blue and burning orange. Two kingfishers, eyes locked on the same shimmering minnow, dive simultaneously like feathered missiles. They collide at the surface, a chaotic spray of crystal water masking their struggle. This is no longer about hunger. It is a fierce display of dominance. With sharp beaks snapping and wings drumming against the air, they lock in a mid-air duel. Only one will claim the prize. The other retreats, vanquished by speed and sheer avian fury.